Hey guys, what's going on? In today's video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get or how to SSH into your iPhone or iPod Touch via a Macintosh computer. In my previous tutorial on how to SSH for Windows only, I said I might do a tutorial on Mac, and I've come to the conclusion that I will, and therefore you're watching this tutorial. So, like I've said, only for Mac, not Windows. If you want a Windows tutorial, go check out my Windows tutorial, and annotation should pop up right about now. Now, I'd just like to make a quick note for you guys. There will be an announcement towards the end of the video, or at the end of the video. So stay tuned till the end for the announcement. So, to start off, we're going to need a program called Cyberduck, and this is what we're going to be using to SSH into our iPod. And you can open up Firefox or your preferred web browser and search for Cyberduck on google.com. And just click the first link, Cyberduck FTP SFTP client, and then click on changelog, download, and a window should pop up. It should be set on open with, but make sure it's set on save file. Click OK. It should download relatively quickly. So yeah, just wait until this is all done. I'm going to buy myself some time and just delete this stuff that is not needed. Also, you will need an unzipper. There's plenty of them, such as Zipeg. Free download, just go search for it, Zipeg, or go to zipeg.com, zipeg.com, and it's completely free, basically unzip for a Mac. It's an alternative to WinRAR. But yeah, we're not on Windows. So it's almost done here, 90%. And once this is all done, we're going to go into our downloads folder. So let's go to downloads, click open in Finder. And you want to control and click on your mouse, or if you're using another mouse, just right click if it has the right click button. And then you want to, well actually, you don't need this to do this part. What you could just do is just double click on it and it'll open up and it'll say unarchiving if you have an unzipper already. And it should archive to an application like this. I already have another one. And you can move this to your applications folder if you want to save it, or drag it to your menu bar. I'm just going to leave it here for now because I already have it. So in the next part of the tutorial, you'll need to open up Cydia and search for OpenSSH. One word, open, OPEN-SSH. Click in the upper right hand corner, install, and then confirm, and go back to the search and search for toggle SSH. This time it's 2 words. This is the exact same things that you need to download, just like from my Windows tutorial. And click install in the upper right hand corner, then confirm, and when that's all done, exit to your springboard, and you should have a new icon that looks like this pufferfish with a briefcase right there. Click on that. Toggle SSH will have an application. OpenSSH won't. That's just coding and stuff. And toggle SSH is self-explanatory. You have 2 buttons, enable and disable. This is just in case you ever get stuck during the SSH process. This is a good thing to have, where you can just click enable and it will make the program respond again. So you can exit out of this. Once you have those 2 things downloaded, go back into Cyberduck. Here we go. And you want to click Open Connection. And click on this and make sure it's set on SFTP, SSH File Transfer Protocol. Server, you want to go to your iPod again, unless you know your IP address. And you want to go to the settings. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi in your house or wherever you are, and click on your the Wi-Fi button, and next to the Wi-Fi network that you're connected to, click the little arrow, and it should say IP address. Mine is 10.0.1.10, and just take that and type that into the server box here, and type in the username as root. And the default password is Alpine unless you have changed your password. You might have changed your password when you opened up Rocket and asked you to change it to that, which I have. So mine is a custom password, but for you guys, you're going to type in Alpine. Make sure port is set on 22 and click connect. and it should take you to this new page right here. This is the basis of whatever you're going to be doing in here. These are directories. Click on this arrow or triangle, sorry, to go back one directory, and you can see I think it's a little bit slower than WinSCP. Oh, sorry, my iPod is off. So this is an example of, oh, there you go. Once you turn it back on or get it out of lock, it should work again. And you can scroll down here, go into mobile, applications. This is where all of your applications will be. Remember, they're all randomly, alphabetically, and numerically coded, and you can go ahead, mess around with some files. If you want a more in-depth description of what you can do, I guess go check out my iFile tutorial if you want. That just shows you a little bit more, not too much, so you don't really need to go there. iFile is just basically SSH for your iPod. And now for the announcement, I have made a Twitter account. So follow me at twitter.com/itouchstuff. Here you go. It's the exact same name as my username. Remember, the O and iTouchStuff is a 0. So follow me on Twitter. Whatever you want, make a Twitter account, follow me. Basically, I'm just going to be posting random stuff about what's going on, like most people do with Twitter. Maybe I'll post like when a new tutorial is out or when I'm about to make a tutorial, or I'll post like some stuff that comes out in Cydia that's not worth me doing a tutorial, and I'll have you guys comment on that stuff to see whether you guys want me to make one or not. So yeah, check me out on Twitter, twitter.com/itouchstuff with a 0. So this is the end of the tutorial, guys. Hope you liked it. Please rate, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.